Hi all my natural beauties and welcome back to my channel. My name is Miss B and here I talk about skincare, skin treatments and things that you can do to really help your natural beauty show and become confident within your natural skin. Now my previous video that I uploaded was all about tea tree and skincare, and if you haven't seen that, check it out. I'll leave the link down below and make sure you go through that video as well. So today we're going to talk about how I use tea tree in my skincare and in my daily life and how you can use it as well. Now when it comes to tea tree, you have to remember it's an essential oil that is very active and can be irritating to the skin. So I would always recommend that with tea tree or any essential oil for that matter, you do a patch test, either on the inside of your arm, on your wrist, or even behind your ear, or even all three, to see if you will react to the tea tree. Because if you're someone that has eczema, psoriasis or sensitive skin, tea tree has the potential to make it worse instead of helping to relax it. And yes, it can relax it, but if you are sensitive to things like menthol and essential oils in general, you probably wouldn't be able to use tea tree. Now tea tree is a very strong essential oil, so diluting it for most of the purposes that we use it for is very important. For instance, if I have sinus problems and I don't have any medication on hand, I will do tea tree inhalation in combination with lavender, where I'll take a bowl of boiling water, 2 drops of tea tree, 2 drops of lavender, and then I'll just inhale it. When I have scratches and wounds, I will dilute tea tree within a bit of water, 1 drop in about 30 ml of water, and I'll just rub it over the wound as a disinfectant, but it also helps to soothe the inflammation and heal the wound as well, because tea tree is very good for antifungal, antibacterial, antiviral, so it's disinfectant to any wounds or cuts you have. Raw pure tea tree on a wound, if you are brave enough, you can do it, but it's gonna burn very badly. It will kill everything though, but it will burn. So I would recommend just dilute it the same that you would with a disinfectant like Dettol. You do have to dilute them. Do the same with tea tree on wounds as well. You can use tea tree under your arms as deodorant. Now I don't prefer to do this for myself personally because I do have eczema, and within this it does irritate my underarms, but you can use it if you want to. Just again, you dilute it within water on a cotton bud and you can just rub it under your arms, and that does help. And of course, the main reason we all have tea tree in our houses is for acne. Now I have 2 tea tree products that I really trust and I really like for any blemish that I have on my skin, and those 2 products are from the Body Shop. The tea tree oil, this one is at 15%, and then I have the tea tree clay mask as well. Now neither of these 2 products are used daily. I do not use them every single day on my skin. They are too harsh. I do have eczema, which means if I get any of these on my neck particularly, I can guarantee the next day I will have a breakout. How I use these though is as a spot treatment. If I see a breakout coming, I will put the mask on for 15 minutes, remove it, and then after that I will put some of the tea tree oil. I literally just take a cotton bud, wet the cotton bud with the tea tree oil, and just dab it onto the areas that I have. I also particularly like the tea tree oil for my back because yes, I do have quite a few breakouts on my back because I work out a lot. And then also the tea tree body wash, which I don't have on hand at the moment because I have not gone to the shop due to coronavirus, and I've run out. But the tea tree the body wash is also really good for that. So within skincare, I wouldn't recommend tea tree to be something that you would apply to your skin every single day, even in a diluted form. I would recommend tea tree in skincare as a spot treatment. It's not going to take the breakout away overnight, but it's going to kill the bacteria, it will help it heal, and it will take away the inflammation with the redness, thus preventing you from scratching at it and causing a scar or pigmentation. And these two I found really to be suitable for my skin. It doesn't break me out, it doesn't irritate my skin, and it smells like tea tree. So if you have a little bit of sinus going on while you have the mask or the oil on your skin, it does actually help to open your sinuses, which is really good. I've gone through about 4 or 5 of those already. I keep repurchasing, and it's just the simplest form for me to find my tea tree in. Now you can find pure tea tree oil in pharmacies depending on where you are in the world, and that's perfectly fine as well. Just try to ask the pharmacist at least what the concentration of the tea tree is, and if there are any other oils or essential oils mixed in with the tea tree, because a lot of the time when we do buy tea tree over the counter, it's not pure. You need to know what is with it as well to make sure that the 2 or the 3 or the 4 or whatever is in the formula doesn't have an adverse reaction to your skin. And that is why I like tea tree, and that is how I use my tea tree. Not every day, just as a spot treatment when I need it, and make sure to test it to make sure that your skin is able to handle it. And that's it. Very simple and easy. I hope you all have learned something today, and if you have any other questions about tea tree or any recommendations about which essential oils you want to learn more about, leave that in the comment and I can definitely do that for you as well. Make sure to like and subscribe so you get notified when I update. Of course, ring the bell because you know the YouTube algorithms and all those things. But until we meet again, have a lovely day, and I'll see you all soon. Bye!